Okay, so this is Institutional Video Journal 8. So we're coming now to the end stretch here. Pretty much all the video is done. Try to get a hold of Chip to get back up there. Of course, with the museum, and that never really happened. So we're just gonna go with what footage we have. I'm sorry, not Chip. This is Institutional. With Institutional, we spoke to the lady at Goodwill. She was the one who was for the interview for the Career Center, and that didn't really work out. We had called her. I set up an appointment, and come the day to actually do the interview, she must have forgotten about the appointment. She was out of town. She was, I think, in Charlotte or somewhere, taking her son to the dentist, something like that. But she had completely forgotten about the video or the interview. And so we had made arrangements to get something else set up for the next week. And she was supposed to call us, and she never did. And so that all fell through. So at this point, we're just going to roll with the footage we have and do the best we can. I think we still have a lot of good stuff, but it would have been better if we had gotten the interview with the Career Center. But that's where we're at in Institutional, not Capstone. So that's Video Journal 8.